Right, I've got a really nice Defender to show you here. If you're looking for a 4-door double cab pickup, one owner, VAT qualifying, this is the one for you. It's done 45,000 miles, Aintree Green, absolutely superb condition, totally original paintwork, it's had nothing repainted. I say a full service history, 2 keys, all its books, service receipts, wax oiled chassis from new and wrapped aligned in the pickup area. What a really nice Defender. Now, we've had lots of these Defenders. This one is one of the best I've seen. 2016 on a 16 registration. It is super. I'm going to get really close to it because you people who are interested in these Defenders will have a close look at this video and pictures, and you'll be able to make out if it's a nice one or not. And this is really nice. Got the window rolled up at the back there. I'll show you in the rear as we come round, but I'm just going to go steadily down the side and we're going to show you under the bonnet as well. So mud flaps front and rear. I say it's a wax oil chassis from new, so it's not a rusty old chassis. Wheels brand new, diamond cut, powder coated, excess wheel. And as I say, I'm going to take my time and just go round and you'll just see how nice this is. No door edges with any chip marks, there's no dents on the side. It's just a superb Defender this. One of those vehicles, commercial vehicle, it's classed as commercial, being a double cab and VAT qualifying. You can keep this for years and it will not lose a load of money. Bit of corrosion in this area here where the water settles. You can't find a Defender without a bit of corrosion there, they all do it. I'm going to go across the front really carefully for you. You will find 1 or 2 stone chips, but look, you can see how nice it is. I'll just show you here, we've got all its books. It's got an Alpine Radio CD with Bluetooth, that's the case to take the front off. Got 2 sets of keys for it. Receipts from Land Rover and a Land Rover specialist. I do prefer the specialist and the main dealers on these because they really know them inside out. How nice that is. Tyres, Continental, cross contact on this one, all round. I'll show you under the wheel actually just how nice it is. Right, down this side nice and carefully again for you. Canvas top, all in lovely condition. No rips or tears. It's clearly been looked after this by, I think, a bit of an enthusiast. Now it's got the tow bar on there with the rear step. Spare wheel mounted on the inside. And then it's all wrapped aligned in the back. You can just see it on this tailgate. It's a thick anti-scratch coating. You really give that some hammer and it's super in the back there. Original sticker on the rear window. That was Land Rover who supplied it. A lovely shine. It's just been to the valeter and detail and it has had a £672 bill for detailing. I like to show them like this. Well worth it. It's a super body on this. It's so nice. So freshly detailed in and out. Let's start in the back then and just show you the two-tone grey and black leather. Rubber Defender mats on top of the original. £45,000 miles just turned. Being an XS, we've got air conditioning, heated front seats. Just super in there. Cubby box. As I say, rubber mats. The interior is lovely. So we've just opened the bonnet now to show you underneath here. Look how nice that is. Under the bonnet. I don't think you'll find a nicer one, 2016. Very, very nice. Everywhere you look. You notice a little chip on the windscreen, just show you there. And we've got our man coming on Monday. It's only minor, but we're going to have that sealed with a resin, ultraviolet light, little tiny chip. So there we are, 110, double cab, VAT qualifying. So if you're in business, buying this for a business, you can claim back the 20% VAT. You need to come and have a look at this one, have a drive. We've just MOT'd it as well. All ready to go. Thank you very much for watching.